Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to report a scam on Zelle. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Zelle account, which of course I have done right here. Because there are a lot of things going on within this account. So let's quickly learn what Zelle is about. Zelle is a great way to send money to friends and family, even if the bank's somewhere different than you do. That means it's super easy to get paid back or split the cost of things like dinner. With Zelle, the money goes directly into your bank account. And when money goes into your bank account directly, you can live delightfully. Zelle is already in lots of banking apps, so look for it in yours today. Let's say you follow through with the process to create a Zelle account and integrated your bank account into Zelle. This is what you can do to report a scam. I believe I've been a victim of an imposter scam. What should I contact, or who should I contact rather? So let's say you're in this situation. Now here's how you can get help. If you're using Zelle through your mobile banking app, please contact your bank or credit union's customer support team. Qualifying imposter scams can be eligible for reimbursement. So if you're using it directly, if you're using Zelle directly from your mobile banking app, just contact your bank or your credit union's customer support team and let them know that you've been scammed and you want that to be rectified. But if you're enrolled with your debit card through the Zelle application, directly through the Zelle application, please contact Zelle customer support team. Now you can reach Zelle customer support team toll free at 844-428-8542. Qualifying imposter scams can be eligible for reimbursement. And you can also report imposter scams to Federal Trade Commission. So you can click on that and follow through with the process. I'm just going to walk you through how you can reach the contact system. Okay, so I've already explained that here. So just call this number and Zelle is going to, get back to you. They're going to reach out to you and help you resolve the scam issue. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.